This video is brought to you by makeITsimpleTT. Every class is structured to run on a yearly cycle from June to May. This cycle covers the whole syllabus in 12 months with 1 2-hour session per week, along with assignments that are given weekly. Every class is recorded so students can always go over the work and recap notes in case they miss a class. To register, head over to our website at makeITsimpleTT.com/register, or you can WhatsApp 1-868-308-8799. Alright, Jay is the Information and Communications Technology Manager at Hempres Power. The proprietor has announced that the company will be expanding with new branches opening in the neighboring city. Jay has outlined to the proprietor that in order to facilitate the expansion, multiple computer systems will be needed. Alright, so if we need multiple computer systems, let's see 4 basic components that each computer system should have. It's a renewable energy company, it's expanding its branches. The 4 basic components. Well, you'll need a keyboard, you'll need a mouse, you'll need a monitor, and tower or system unit. That's what it's called here, system unit. Alright, Jay listed a number of specialized peripheral devices that will be required. Complete the table below by indicating the category for each of the above. Alright, a joystick is an input, a scanner is an input also. Because both of them put things into the computer, right? They get stuff and they put it into the computer. That is normal. Jay will need to set up a wired network to facilitate communication between the computer systems. So he must set up a wired network. Okay, cool. List 3 types of transmission media could be used to facilitate the communication. Now it's a wired network. So it's a wired network. That means you have to give the wired things. Twisted pair, coaxial, and fiber optic. Identify the transmission media. That'll be, you see this is a waterfall question here again. If you don't get this first question here correct, then you definitely can't get the next part correct also. So you have to be able to match it. So the transmission media that will be most appropriate for the scenario above would be twisted pair, because it's twisted pair is the cheapest and most adopted, right? This question, another Excel question. They're going hard with it. They're going hard with the spreadsheets. Let's see if this spreadsheet question is a little more manageable in terms of understanding. Write the formula which is required to calculate the total cost in each of the following cells. Oh, look, cake boy. So the total cost in each of the following cells. D4, we want to find the total cost inside here. So it will be equal sign. You're basically multiplying 5,000 by 12, but you can't put the actual number, you have to put the cell. So we're multiplying B4 multiplied by C4. Right. Now, here you need to pay attention that they said formula. Formula is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Well, the slash is for division. Some of y'all, somewhere along the line, would have learned something like you would have put equal product. And you put equal product and you put B4, C4. That is our problem because product is a function. Alright, cell D14. Now this is where it gets kind of stupid. Because they said formula, but clearly D14 is going to have a function inside of it. Because you're going to find the total cost of everything from here down to there. So I definitely not going to tell you put equal sign D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7 plus D8 plus D9 plus D10 plus D11 plus D12. That would be rather stupid. So they state the question with formula, but they're accepting functions too, clearly. So we will want to put some. So I guess if you put product up here, you'll get it correct because they're mixing up function and formula very easily for you, which is not, the syllabus clearly defines function and formula. But anyhow, D4 to D12. So D4 colon D12. To improve the presentation of the document, Jay formatted cell A1 across all columns as shown in the spreadsheet in C. Identify the formatting feature used. That's merge and center. Merge and center. List 3 steps taken by Jay in the correct order to apply the formatting feature identified in D part 1. 1. Type the heading in A1 first. Step 2, select A1 to A1 to E1. Step 3, click merge and center. and then state the steps in the correct order required to create a formula to find the average of a range of numbers in a spreadsheet. Alright, they're overdoing this steps thing now. So we want to create a formula to find the average of a range of numbers in the spreadsheet. Create a formula. Do you want to create a formula or a function? Now you have to ask yourself real questions. Do they want a function? Do they want a formula? But they say formula, but in the last question they clearly wanted a function. So what is happening? Type average, type equal sign, then average, and then put the range in brackets. Example, equal average B2 colon B6. That would be a, yeah, right, B6, yeah. This video is brought to you by makeITsimpleTT. Our CAPE classes run on an 8-month cycle and covers everything in the CAPE IT and computer science syllabus with 10 years of past paper practice included. Students get assignments topically and reports are emailed to parents and guardians monthly or bi-monthly. To register, head over to our website at makeITsimpleTT.com/register, or you can WhatsApp 1-868-308-8799.